Alright guys, here is my daily selfie project. Uh, as you can see, the app is not running right now. There you go, there are no app running. I'm gonna start the app. Uh, I have also kind of taken few pictures in it, so since a new fresh start, you'll see some of the pictures, they are already in the background. It kind of goes into saving the pictures on a persistent media. I kind of stored them on the SD card. So just make sure that if you're doing it on the emulator, your SD card is enabled and has a memory assigned to it. Although in the app, I do check for readability and writability of the SD card, and it will pop up a dialog box to you if it is not enabled. Also, I had some hard time getting this camera icon up there, so I switched to theme.holo. And also it works with app compact libraries v7 and v4, so just make sure those two things are enabled for you as we check this. I'm just gonna look at these are the 4 selfies at what time they're taken. All I show you is the icon of the selfie that was taken, of the pictures in the SD card, and the date timestamp of the last this file was touched. So when you click on it, when you do a short click on it, you can see the selfie detail here. You can close this. This kind of opens up a new activity. We are not in the main activity anymore. There you go. That's my 4th selfie picture. If you take a long press, so if I take a long press, for example, I raise a alert dialog box and see if you really want to delete this. Because I delete this file from the SD card, you can choose not now. In that case, nothing happens. Or I can delete it. In that case, the file is deleted for good, and you can see that list is refreshed. So that's the picture portion of it. They are on a persistent thing. I'll come to alarms next. I can go back, kill the activity here. Okay, you see, all right, kill the activity, and then restart the activity. There you see, I got all the files back, just 3 of them. So deleted files are not shown anymore. Again, these files are on SD card with the prefix selfie underscore. I used the code for this was taken from the Google documentation library, which was pointed out in the course. So that's good. So let's try and take a selfie here. All right. So since I deleted the 3rd one, I'll take a 3rd one. 3 fingers on. All right, so that's one. The emulator is a little slow, so we'll get to it. Okay, so I got 1 finger, 3 finger, 4 finger, 5 finger. Let me take one with 2 fingers. So here is a selfie with 2 fingers. All right, that did make it. Okay, so going back, that's my 1 finger selfie. I kind of don't sort these out by date. The list, they're just added as and when they comes. They're not sorted by date, but you could clearly, sort the list anytime you have the data change if you like to. I just didn't do it. Okay, that's the 5th one. All right, so that's the picture. So deletion is working. You can click on it and look at the big selfie picture. The next up is the notifications. You can see that notification already up there. I also stole the sound from our lab 6, which is the rooster sound anytime. So what I'm doing in the background is if I'm on the main activity here, I check and this will not be sent. Notification will not be sent. But if I'm in other than the main activity, the notification will be sent. And that kind of shows up sometimes. Say, for example, I go to the camera app here, trying to take a picture. I've set a 10-second timer, so you should see. There you go. You hear the rooster noise in the back. Okay, I keep this selfie. All right, there you go. So you can see the notification on the back. I can kind of quit the app just to make sure it is gone. Because these emulators sometimes don't work. Okay, there you go. So I tap on it. Time for another selfie. Boom, off you go. So that's my project. It was a pretty big project for me, but I hope you enjoy it. So long and peace.